Welcome back to the 2019 AutoServ of Tilton Top 5 Video Countdown. This next video was filmed in early October, making it the most recent entrant of the Top 5, and it generated instant buzz, mostly because the sales consultant involved demonstrated a distinct knowledge of the vehicle featured in this video. It also made you wonder, is Domino's Pizza really that popular in the Lakes region of New Hampshire? Okay, I've probably made you all hungry by now. The number 4 video of 2019 is the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe featuring Devon Roy. Oh, and enjoy some slices of pizza while you watch.
Sirius XM radio, OnStar emergency communication, and a backup camera? You can find it all and so much more in this 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe.
This 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe comes equipped with a third row seat, as well as you can order Domino's on your screen if you have your Chevy MyLink connected. If you have any other questions, definitely come on down to AutoServ and ask for Devon, and I'd be happy to help you.
Here at AutoServ, our people make it happen.